many of you already know about the brain gym? Just raise your hand. That's very good. But those who don't know, they will follow us and do the brain gym. After that, we'll do the meditation session for just 2 minutes. So all of you are ready? Okay. So you can sit down on your chair. You will listen to me and just see the Shobana ma'am, how she is performing, and just follow that. Clear? So we are going to start with the brain gym, and the first brain gym exercise is 1 and 5. Keep the 1 on your left hand and 5 on the right hand. And do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. Now change for the next brain gym. Rabbit and gun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we are going to do the third brain gym, that is wow on the right hand and thumbs up on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And roll your belly with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the next exercise is clap and hold your nose and ear in a cross manner. So just start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the next exercise is just touch your fingertips. Just focus in the middle of your forehead. Just feel a star is shining in the middle of your forehead. And this is the energy point. God is giving you the energy and you just receiving that energy. Just feel it, visualize it. And start rotating the fingers. Start with the little finger first. First of all clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with your ring finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with your middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Now with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just come in the dhyan, giving you the energy. You are keep collecting that energy. Just feel that energy. Keep collecting the energy. Now that energy is flowing into your whole body. It is flowing through your forehead, to your face, to your neck, your shoulders, arms, hands, then in your chest, belly, the lower part of your body, till the feet. Your key. Rub your hands. Create the heat energy. Keep it on your eyes for just 5 minutes. Now Uplift your face and massage your face 2 times. Touch your head, neck, shoulders, arms, chest to your whole body. Just feel the energy aura into yourself. So thank you very much to all of you.